This is the programming procedure for the Kaba P2000 series or PowerPlex series. When the lock first gets installed, the default factory master code will be 1 through 8. You can verify that code is operational by entering 1 through 8. You'll get a green indicator. You'll also notice the latch retracts upon turning the lever. Now, before you can add any additional codes or new codes into the lock, like 4-digit user codes, you first need to change that default 8-digit master code. To do so, you'll press the pound key. You'll enter the existing master code of 1 through 8, the pound key again. We're going to enter 000 pound. That's the command to change the master code. For our example, we're going to use 8765431 as the new master code. You'll press pound. You'll enter that same code a second time, pound, and then a second pound is going to end the programming session. And now you'll see that 1 through 8 will no longer work. However, 8 through 1, which is our new code, is also a valid code, which also brings up the point that the 8-digit master code does need to be a secure code, because that is a code that will also open the door. Once you have changed the 8-digit master, the process for adding a user code is fairly simple. The command code to add a user code is 100, and then you'll have to slot that user. The P2000 can have up to 100 users. For our example, we're going to use the user code of 1234, and we're going to make that user 001. So now the programming procedure, we start with the pound key. We enter the existing code of 8 through 1. We press the pound key again. Now the command is 100 pound to add a user. This is user 001 pound. And then we enter the user code of 1234 pound. We enter it a second time as we did before, pound, 1234 pound. And then a second pound again ends the programming session. And now you'll notice that 1234 is a valid code. If we were going to add a second user code, it would be very similar, except after the command of 100 pound, instead of 001, it would now be 002, and then you would enter whatever 4-digit code you want that user code to be.